Hey, it's H here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for Alibaba Group holdings. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios that price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on our daily time frame, we've had this massive run up to the around $319, and now we have come down to less than $100 and now had some kind of pump up here. Now, in higher time frame, if we want to look at this as a bullish option, we would look at this as a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, it is also possible to look at this in bearish waves or ways, and at that point we would start our count from the all-time lows here, saying that we have a 5, 3, and 5 pattern here. That would mean that we are having this as an A, B, and C. So again, this would be a counter trend movement in which we would come down here. This could be a connector wave. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So connector wave, this ABC, and connecting this previous structure over here to this one. So yeah, that is definitely a possibility. We just don't know that because we don't have the price history back here around the 2014. Now, as those are clear, to me, I still like to be bullish overall, so to me it is more likely that it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scenario. Now for this correction, it is really looking very impulsive if we want to break it down. On this one, I've labeled this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the third of minute, fourth, fifth in the third of minute, fourth, and fifth. Of course, some of these wave structures inside here, we have to be using some kind of imagination. For example, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, truncated fifth here, and then even this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 somewhere here. Just can't see it. So yeah, we have to be a bit creative there. Other scenario here, of course, would be some kind of diagonal, but again, that does not look very good either. Maybe it's from here to here, not sure. So yeah, that is one scenario that we're currently making a possible wave for here, and then again crashing more downwards. That is very bearish scenario though, as we would be making a fifth or one more low here, then another low or high, sorry, with a wave 4, and then another wave lower. Other scenarios is again almost same bearishness, and we could be saying that we had a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, so many 1, 2s, and then unraveling here. We did get that lowest low on RSI, at least I think on weekly, daily lowest RSI is here. So it is possible that this is only the third of something, as I've labeled it as here. So we would be getting those divergences coming in later on. The only count that is saying that we have bottomed is this one here, saying that we have an ABC into W, X, WXY into wave Y, X, and then another ABC here to wave Z. Yeah, this is the only one that I could find that is actually bullish. In this case, I guess we don't need to be worrying about the RSI divergences between these lows, so that makes some sense. Now, overall, I am bearish, but we can take a look at the lower time frames and see what we have here. If we are looking for a bullish option, we could be labeling it like this. We would have 5-wave structure in here, into wave 1, 3 waves down, A, B, C, again, creating some kind of flat pattern, and then we would be looking for lower prices. I've labeled this as bullish just because the higher time frame structures here as a 1, 2, and then looking for higher prices. But again, on shorter time frame, this would be the 5 ways that would be bullish, and then dump. What makes this less likely is the fact how much time we have already taken for the wave 2, we can see that there is really no time relationship with the wave 2 here if we are comparing it to the wave 1. I am in a long position on Alibaba at the moment, as I was looking at this possibly being a wave 1 or a wave A, and I took my long setup here at 88.03 when I saw this possible 5-way move here and coming down. I did not expect it to go this low though, as I think I saw this structure here coming down. Could have been something else here as well, can't remember completely, but yeah, my stop was down below here. Managed risk. Now we did pump here, got some nice gains. I'm still on part of my long setup, but yeah, it has taken so much time that I'm not really looking for this to be a wave 2 though. The bearish scenario is saying that we are going to continue downwards. This is some kind of connection or correction that is part of something else, and then we would have started this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into a 1 or an A wave, then a 3-way structure here into a wave 2 or wave B, and then we would be looking for downwards. Now what does not support this case is the wave structure again that we are having here. If you can get 5 waves into this one, well, congratulations. I can't. So it is possible that we are still within some kind of a combination, but the fact is that we have started the wave counts from $124-ish and saying that we have 5 waves down here. We can't go beyond this start point if we want this to be bearish with this count or either of these counts. So yeah, neither of these structures, the bearish or the bullish, are too likely to happen. For me, I feel like I am with the bullish count for this structure to happen, but then I'm trying to get out here when we are topping these structures here. On 1 hour we see that we have gotten back to the around 75 area on RSI, and are getting some oversold or overbought areas. So definitely managing my risk here, and possibly even trying to look for short setups if I see one with some kind of dump here, pull back, and then hopefully we have some kind of resistance area there where I can take my shorts from. But we'll see what happens overall. Not much else to say about this, to be honest. But that is pretty much everything I wanted to share today. If you have other accounts you would like to share, there's a link to my Discord server in the description below. Also, if you would like me to update certain other assets, let me know in the comments below. For now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of the day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.